Right. Today we're going to have a little look at our Triumph GT6 that we've got in stock. A car that is pretty much unrepeatable. It's had £107,000 spent on its restoration through an Aston Martin specialist over the course of 10 years. Only 3 previous owners. It's a record breaker. It is a very, very special car. So we will take you around it in a bit more detail and just show you why this one is the best there is available on the market in the UK today. So we'll start with the overall presentation and bodywork of the car. Having had so many hours plumbed into it, no expense spared, it's of the quality you'd expect to see a Concours, Aston Martin or Ferrari. Very, very rarely do you see any sort of lower end British sports cars finished to this degree. The shut lines, the chrome work, the panel gaps, it's just absolutely pristine throughout. Not a single area you could pull up that could be improved. It really is credit to the previous owner and also to the garage that did the work. If you look down the car, there just isn't a blemish on it anywhere. The paintwork was chosen to be a red that was a Rolls-Royce colour. The owner's uncle had a Rolls-Royce in this colour and it was his favourite, so they chose this for the car, and I think it suits it perfectly. Really brings out the lines, it's classy, just perfect for the era. To demonstrate just how well the car's put together, the boot closure for me it shows just how well done it is. The shut lines are perfect. It's beautiful in its operation. Obviously everything inside is exactly the same. But just the way it closes, brand new seals, but just click and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't think you'll ever see a GT6 that's this good again, let alone probably any Triumph. It really is sublime. So the interior has been fully retrimmed top to bottom, as you can tell. The only real changes from standard are you've got the Corbeau Sport Classic seats, which just look perfect for the car, and it's got a full roll cage. So on the road, the chassis feels a lot stiffer, the suspension does its job better, and the car just handles as well as it looks. How they should have done from the factory is brilliant. Moving to the business end of the car, no expense was spared on under the bonnet either. So the engine rebuilt, steering rack, suspension, you name it, it's all new. The engine had a fast road camshaft put in, up to 125 horsepower, so a lot more than the standard 90 these cars came with. It's also got a lightened flywheel, so it revs up quicker. Its road manners and behaviour are just amazing. Overall, this car doesn't want for anything at all. Again, attention to detail under the bonnet. Everything is just exactly how it should be. There's nothing you'd look to change. It's just a car you can get in, put some fuel in and go and enjoy. When you're looking at the engine bay, to me, I mean, the scuttle's just beautiful. The paint on there is as good as most cars throughout. But the thing that really gets me are the tiny little striker plates that are just perfectly sculpted, stainless steel, just to stop any damage to the body. That's the attention to detail that only the very best go to, just to ensure that this car is going to be the best for years to come. It's just exquisite.